Hey guys, it's Donna and I'm happy to share with you a pranayama technique called Kapalabhati Breathing. All right, so before we get into this is not for you if you are pregnant or if you have high blood pressure, if you have any kind of abdominal pain, just skip it, move on to other things. There's lots of other breathing techniques, all right? But if you'd like to have a lovely, invigorating breath technique, Kapalabhati breath might just be for you. All right? So Kapalabhati breathing means skull shining breath, okay? And just a couple of notes as we get into this. You'll want to go slowly as a beginner, and like 30 seconds is lots, okay? So go at your pace and notice and be aware of how it's feeling. And that's kind of your job here for your mind, is to be a witness and just that awareness of the breath technique, because sometimes this breath technique can, I don't know, bring stuff up. So just watch what happens and see how it feels and what your thoughts about it are, okay? So to do this breath technique, it is an energetic exhale, okay? So you kind of want to punch the exhale. The inhale, leave that alone. It's just gonna do its thing, okay? The inhale, trust that the inhale will happen, but it's a very energetic exhale. So it's kind of a pumping, but only on the exhale, okay? Sometimes it's helpful to put your hands on your diaphragm, okay? So you find your little ribs, just stick it right there. And that might help you to feel the in and out and really to focus on that energy of the exhale, okay? So take a nice deep breath in and a full breath out. Okay, inhaling and then start to pump. Big breath in and let it go. There you go. All right, so I'd love to hear in your comments how that went. That was about 30 seconds at a pretty consistent, maybe not too fast, maybe it was too fast for you, I don't know. Let me know how that went for you, how it felt. I know for me, it definitely clears out the nasal passages with those forceful exhales. It's also really good for the digestion and the circulation. So there you go. The skull shining breath, Kapalabhati. All right, take care. See you next time. Namaste.